Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add text to your project on your Edits Instagram app. So if you've recently been using the Edits Instagram app to edit your videos and you want to learn how to add text, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up your App Store or Play Store. You want to search for the Edits Instagram app. Here you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, you want to go ahead and open the app. In the app, you want to make sure you're on the projects tabs at the bottom center. Next, go ahead and tap the plus sign, and you want to go ahead and select a photo or a video to add to your timeline. Tap add. Now, once the photo and the video is in your timeline, now you want to go ahead and add a text. So to do this, go ahead and select text here at the bottom. Go ahead and write your text. At the top here, you can go ahead and select all the different styles of font. You can choose the color. You can choose some animations. You can choose the style. Go ahead and choose the alignment. And once you're happy, tap done. If you want to make this font a bit larger, you can go ahead and choose that and make it larger. You can go ahead and place it anywhere you like. And now as you can see on the timeline, you can go ahead and set it for the whole duration of the video or just for bit of the video. So you can go ahead and use this slider and choose wherever you like. Once you press play, you'll be able to see your text which you've added onto your timeline. So there you go, guys. That is how to add text to your timeline on your project on the Edits Instagram app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.